Daddy said a knife would work better.
I'll use a knife.
I'll use the knife.
Shut the table.
Don't drip jelly on the floor. Don't drip jelly on the floor. That's okay. You're cleaning up the kitchen. Not me.
Wait, I am?
Daddy.
And it was spotless when I got started.
I'll use this thing.
I used. Sorry.
How you doing? Good. You're doing a good job, buddy.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Don't wipe your hands on your pants. Here.
There it goes. Flying across the jelly. Hard to make a sandwich when you're a kid. Hard.
Hard to make a sandwich when you're a kid.
And when you're four.
What seems to be the hard part?
I don't know.
Putting this one.
What?
Putting this one.
Oh, the peanut butter or the jelly?
You're doing a great job. I think you've got that side covered.
Oh. 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 Oh my goodness, this is hard. Okay. I can't get any jelly on.
You know what you might could do? You could use a spoon to put the jelly on the bread and then use the knife to spread it around.
Well,
Okay. Either way, just a suggestion.
you're going to see my own. This is going to be hard. This is the top. This will be my sandwich.
Let me get your thing off.
Whoa. Whoa.
You cleaning up?
No.
Yeah, like every 5 minutes, somebody doesn't like to get their hands dirty.
Oh. Okay. Now we're going to.
I thought you already put peanut butter on it.
Wait, I didn't.
Did you give up on that corner there? Yeah, just decide that's enough. Perfect, man. You're doing a great job. For a 4-year-old making a sandwich, I'm very
I'm
impressed.
gonna make this.
Huh?
I'm gonna make this one.
You're gonna lick that
You
off?
can't put it back in.
You can't put it
You can't put it back in the peanut butter.
I guess.
Nope, you can't put it back in the peanut butter. Oh, me, Ben. I don't know. I don't know what to do with you sometimes, honey.
Why are you saying that phone up?
Oh, me and McKenna were playing a balancing game.
Talent?
Balancing. To balance it. Hurry up and then make your sandwich.
Yeah, you need to hurry because it's almost bedtime. About done?
I just almost put it in the peanut jelly instead of the peanut butter.
Uh-oh, then we'd have peanut butter in our jelly. That's not good.
I'm having peanut butter in my jelly.
I'm sure doing this.
Is that funny?
Ben, hey, no more eating out of the knife.
Did he stick that knife back in there?
No, it's the different one.
Yeah, right.
He's not licking it anymore.
I'm not.
Sheesh.
Nobody wants your germs, buddy. No?
Are you almost done?
I can't wait to
Huh?
see it.
That's a good looking sandwich, man. Would you like something to put it on when you're done?
Oh, thank you.
You're very welcome.
Now I will know how to make my own sandwich.
You will, and that's a very good thing to know.
Because when
Keep
I
you from starving to death, right?
Yes. Can I? Do you want me to put this on?
I don't know. It's not my sandwich. Okay, now you have to clean up. You made,
Nice sandwich.
you made a pretty big mess there.
Yummy. Benjamin.
No.
What is that?
It's stovetop cleaner. I think you need to worry about what you got going on in front of you there, buddy.
I'm gonna put this in the dishwasher.
You have to rinse it off first. You can't put it in the dishwasher. I'll turn the water on for you, but no, I'm not rinsing it. Remember, this was your thing. I told you I've already cooked one meal. You might have to, no, you're getting peanut butter on the sink. You might have to use your other finger and slide the peanut butter off. You can, you just don't want to. You don't want to because you don't want to get your fingers dirty.
Oh, Ben. I have to go pee.
You're going to have to use your finger, buddy. Hate to tell
Not
you.
in very hot water.
Okay. There.
There. All clean. All clean.
Okay, it needs to go in the dishwasher, and then you need to finish cleaning up your mess up here.
Very nice. I just put there. Where's the lid?
I don't know. I wasn't the last one with it.
Oh. Where's the I can't screw it on.
Sure you can. Use your muscles.
Now I can't do the hard part. Like
What's
this.
the hard part?
This.
You can't put the twist tie on there?
Mhm.
Okay, we'll put everything else up. I'll take care of that.
Okay.
Tell us what you just did, Ben.
I made a sandwich.
What kind of sandwich?